Hello YouTuber, I have a KitchenAid refrigerator and the freezer section is not cooling. So the problem was this motor is getting stuck somewhere. I had to put some silicone on it. I just used some silicone. You could get the motor in Amazon, but I needed ASAP. It was not freezing and it was water on the floor. So, and if the refrigerator condenser working and a fan from this side on the back, that is mean something wrong with this fan. So all you have to do is just remove this panel, something easy, and see if that the fan is spinning. So now I fixed it and it's good to go. Again, this is KitchenAid refrigerator, and the model number, I'm just gonna give it to you guys. That will be, sorry about the video, okay, KSR S251 HW02. Thank you.